Well, unlike the Haryana election results where we saw at the Congress headquarters early in the morning jalebis being prepared and later the entire scenario changed, after which Bharatiya Janata Party ordered 100 kgs of jalebis and distributed, and jalebis was one of the flashpoint in those elections. This morning what we are witnessing at the Bharatiya Janata headquarters, party headquarters, is jalebis being prepared over here this morning. Unlike what we usually see at the BJP headquarters, halwa is being prepared early in the morning, but this time it is, of course, jalebis being prepared. BJP seems very confident this time, of course, as far as the Jharkhand polls are concerned. But Maharashtra is something the BJP leaders specifically had stated after the exit polls predictions that they will wait and watch as to what will finally come out as a final picture. But here, of course, at the early morning for the breakfast, and there's a usual routine, of course, at the BJP headquarters. But jalebis is something that we are witnessing for the very first time being prepared over here, and they have been told that every preparation is to be made as far as the celebrations are concerned. Of course, as far as the every year routine is concerned, whenever Bharatiya Janata Party wins, the Prime Minister addresses Karyakartas after coming to the headquarters, and since morning those preparations already begins, and therefore the reason perhaps today jalebi is being prepared and rest of the breakfast. But of course, the BJP leaders have already started arriving at the BJP headquarters for the early updates, as they still had stated that they will wait till 11 or 11:30 to get the final picture and to call for the elections. But unlike the Haryana election, some different scenes at the BJP headquarters over here.